sit here. Once seated, they connected this. The lever is not in the middle. Again, this lever is on the side. You press the lever, then you will take this way. As it locks into place, you press this, and you move the chair sideways to the shower onto the plugs. Then you take her out by pressing this lever again and moving the chair to the side onto the plugs. Then you do the lever here, you push it out and rotate the chair that way. Then if you desire to transfer her, you can press this and slide her off the chair. If you want to, if you don't want to lift and you want to transfer, then you lock it back. You can also transfer from here if you so desire. And you lock it back. And that's it.
We're very happy with this chair, but I did do a reversal of the spin knob right there because this is a left-hand shower, meaning that the shower is over on the left. And I did not want the handle on the inside for my mother to access to try to access the shower against the edge there. As you can see, it would be difficult if the handle was on the right as the unit comes. So I did make that customization. I did have to replace the center bolt, and it's difficult to get the bolt out, and it was not usable after I knocked it out. I had to use a different bolt.